Oh, hi and welcome back to my channel. In another video I showed you how to use the Monster handheld steamer, and today I'm going to show you an awesome way of using it. You know that in the sink a lot of hair stuck when men shave, all the shaving stuck, and you have hard time the water going down. So another way of using the handheld steamer to melt all this down. You don't have to call a plumber. So we're gonna take the hose and we just stick it down the drain. We just leave it there, and then we're gonna push the button and make it work, and look what's gonna happen. That is steam going down the drain, melting anything that's gonna be inside, and then the steam is coming out. I'm gonna stop to show you what happened. You see all that steam going down there and cleaning and melting anything down there. I'll try it again. You see all the steam. And also I can use it here in this hole in the sink. You can just put it there, and I'm gonna turn it on again. That will clean anything and clean all germs in the bathroom and your sink. Now I'm gonna wash this. You see the water is going down. Water is going down like crazy. I'll try it again. I rinse it, so I'm gonna try it again. Push the button again. Steam start rising. And voila, you have a nice, clean, sanitized sink. Just wash this and rinse it. And look at the water. It's just running down the drain beautifully. Thanks for watching. This is one of many ways you can use this handheld Monster steamer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Come back for more videos.